to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to the Cotswolds, where today we are at Unimog on the Farm. Now we have Unimogs galore. We have Unimogs over there, we have Unimogs go off-road, we have a sweeper Unimog over there, and so yeah, we're just here having a look at Mercedes-benz Unimog and everything to do with the Unimog. These things are so versatile, it's unbelievable. I never realised how versatile these things are, from like something like this, which is you use for like utilities use for telegraph poles and stuff like that, to road maintenance, sweepers, plows, and so much that they can do on the farm, like we are today. We're demonstrating lots of farm stuff that they can do, all the attachments. These things are tractors, absolute beasts. I've driven a couple of them already today, and it's just, the capabilities are unbelievable, just mad. But yeah, pretty much do exactly the same as a tractor does. Huge trailers, plows and all sorts. It's just nuts. Anyway, we're going to have a look at some more Unimogs, and yeah, feel good.
You seem to know something I don't. What's going on? Can you tell me what it is, please? I'm not that slow like you think. Strange vibrations in the room and I can feel it. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of.
So this is the Unimog 5023, and as you can see that, what a beast. And this one is primarily set up for utilities, picking up like the telegraph poles and stuff like this, fitted with a pathfinder crane, so it can throw the telegraph poles around quite easily. But yeah, what an amazing bit of kit. I had a little go with it, with the trying to place a cone on top of another cone. I don't know how well I done, but so yeah, there it goes. This is all the manual controls, but it's primarily all done on remote. So yeah, no, it's really good. I've done the on the cone, not very good.
I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. Hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. Hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way.
So this is another Unimog U530. As you can see, it's got the snowplow function. It's also a gritter as well, so yeah, really versatile, this one. It's a rear steer, and we've got a crabbing function as well, which will be interesting. So yeah, let's go out and have a little play in this, and Yeah, so what it's all about.
Obviously this is a snow plough.
Yeah.
Got a gritter in the back. There's various different options on this. You can run it all on the hydrostatics if you wish once you get moving.
Yeah.
I'm just going to demonstrate how the plough works here.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the drive, and I want to demonstrate how the rear wheel steering works and the crabbing feature.
Yeah.
Alright. You're then putting it into pump.
Yeah.
So now I've got control over how this works on the stick.
Right, okay.
So I can funnel inwards and outwards. I can also go up and down.
Yeah.
If I wanted to go into float mode, so I could plough, I would press the red button on the front. That would automatically bring it down into float mode. Okay. If I was to come against an obstacle, which was I think it's 39 pounds of pressure. If I was to come in against it, it feels the pressure. If there's a hidden rock under there, I don't want to be going in there and bending the plough or breaking something.
Yeah.
So what it does, if it feels the pressure, it shoots straight on.
Right, okay.
So it doesn't damage anything, which is a very clever idea.
Yeah.
I didn't have road tyres on, I've had normal tyres on, I wouldn't bother.
Yeah.
But I don't want to be getting stuck. So when you reach the top here, we're going to do a full 360, okay? So to work it, it's all controlled off this little box.
Yeah.
You don't need to stop to control this either, you can actually switch it as you move
brilliant.
it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put you into four-wheel steer now.
Yeah.
So when we get now, I want you to go full lock right, so hard over, hard as you can, full lock.
Oh wow.
Keep that lock on, all the way around for me.
Yeah.
All the way around.
That's a crazy turn.
Turning on itself, isn't it, basically? So I'm now going to go back to normal steering.
Yeah.
So I want you then to come forward and follow the edge of the grass and then go along the edge for me. So round towards the right now and then go along the fence. What I'm going to do, once you get onto the fence bit, I'm going to put it into crab.
Yeah.
So you can see how it goes sideways.
Alright, okay.
Okay, so that's in crab now. So when you're ready, steer to the right. So right hand down for me, you'll see it starting to crab across.
Oh wow.
Okay.
That's a really freaky
and now
one.
start coming back to the left again. It's if you want to get between tight trees but you can't get enough swing to come in and out, you can use it. It's a more slow manoeuvring tool than anything else, but you can switch back. So I'm going to put it back to normal driving.
Yeah.
So that's back in normal now, so you're back in normal steering. But you can see how easy it is to switch between all those.
Yeah. So yeah, just been out in these Unimogs, and what is surprising me is how suited to agriculture these are. It's just mad, like the forager, that's such a huge forester there, look. And then you've got this one here with the rollers on the back, and you've got that one that's got the cutters on, but yeah, it's just how capable these vehicles are. It's just crazy. Like, you wouldn't expect to see one of these going up and down in a field. Obviously tractors are always going to have a place with the hardcore stuff, but you know, the lighter farm duties and, you know, forestry and all that sort of stuff, it's so good at. And you know, we've got this Unimog coming along here, look, with the trailer on. Yeah, it's just mad, and you know, I know it's really interesting to see the capabilities of the Unimog. You know, I've always been a big fan of the Unimog because you know, I like the off-roading stuff, and you know, off-roading capabilities are unbelievable. So, you join me under a Unimog. I just wanted to show you what makes these so good off-road. I don't know if you can see in here, but they have portal axles, which means that the axle is actually much higher than the centre of the wheel, which is down here. And if you can see there we go. So that's the axle height up here, and then the centre of the wheel's here, which makes it really good. And then you have the centre of the diff, which is it's off centre. It gives it massive ground clearance, and you have like I think it's like a wade-in depth for like 1200 mil or something, which is huge. So yeah, it massively makes these you know, really versatile off-road. Rear, centre, front diffs, all switchable, allowing it to travel on the road at 56 miles an hour, which is yeah, pretty good. So these things have got to be the ultimate 4x4s. I think a dream of mine's always been to get a Unimog, put a body on the back like a camper and do a proper adventure. Yeah, always been a dream of mine. But it's been fantastic to see what these vehicles are capable of. You know, we've not even scratched the surface, but you know, everything from you know, Euro 6 on the new ones to you know, everything they're used for, humanitarian, fire brigade, you know, and this is just a small sample. You know, they're used for rail towing tens of thousands of tons as locomotives. So yeah, it's pretty mad. This one, I think this is my favourite. This one, this is like I think this is the one that we're used to seeing for like off-road. I think this is the more traditional style Unimog. But yeah, no, it's been a fantastic day. Like I say, I've really enjoyed the Unimogs, and you know, it's nice to see actually what they do and see them at work and see them actually being used with the different implements and stuff like that. So yeah, really interesting day. Big thank you to Mercedes-Benz UK for inviting me, and Mercedes Unimog. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for plenty more just like it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.